Namaste, my loves. I'm Preeti, a makeup artist, fashionista, and I also run a training program for makeup. So, if you are interested, then please do subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Starting with the Kryolan Concealer in a shade Ivory. This is like a dewy, lightweight concealer. Then we will take this NYX Smooth Finish Powder to mattify our eyelid. That way creasing won't happen into my opinion, but you could also use like a base eyeshadow all over your lid so that you don't need to use a specifically powder just to mattify your eyelids. I'm gonna start with this Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetic. I'm actually applying this with an angular brush. If you don't own one, then it's fine. This is just for my preferences because I have one, that is why I'm using. I'm going to start with edge of my lid so that maximum intensity could remain to the edges. In case if you guys want to buy these products, then I'll put some affiliate link into my description box. Then we will take this Dolorous shade from Smashbox Golden Hour palette. It's a bronze shimmer shade. I'm going to apply this with a flat brush. I actually don't have like a setting spray or anything because it does unclog my pores. But if you have one, then please use that because it will give you much better intensity. Also, I'm going to apply this to my lower lash line. You could see here. Next, we will take this grey shimmer shade. It's not that pigmented, but I have never used anything like a grey before, so I kind of love this color, and also like going to create a really soft cut crease effect. Then we'll take this Maybelline gel liner in black. I have done video about this 6 ways to apply wing liner, which I'll put link into my description box. You guys could check that video out after watching this one. Actually, this liner does last for me a little bit more longer because it has like a 3 years warranty, which is really good. Into my opinion, it's like a really good investment. But if you don't like to use gel liner, obviously then you could get hold of their liquid liner, which is like a matte. In future I might just buy those. I'm going to curl my lashes with this Vega lash color in silver and also pop some lashes off camera. For face, this is one of my favorite and it's a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It's in travel size, but you could get it in whole full size from Amazon. And it's like it gives a lot more dewy finish look. And it doesn't actually unclog my pore, which is really good. Then for concealer, we will use this Ivory and NG1 by Kryolan Cosmetic and create my own shade with this. But you could get hold of this whole palette into their Kryolan store, which is in Bandra West. I think so, it is in Bandra West. Then again, we will take this Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetic. This will give us a lot more soft, smooth effect. Instead of contouring, I personally like to use bronzer because this does save me quite a lot of time. I don't have to put that much effort into blending, which is really what I'm actually looking for. Normally into contouring, I do spend a little bit more time than this. So yeah. For blush, we will take this Smashbox blush palette and the shade we use is like a peach. It is like a dark peach shade. Again, I took this NYX Smooth Finish Powder to mattify my face, actually specifically to my nose and chin area. Then we'll take this Moccasin shade by Smashbox Golden Hour palette to highlight my inner corners and also to my brow bone. It's like a soft golden shimmer shade. Also, I'm actually going to apply this to my cupid bone, nose and cheeks. This does looks really good if you have a lot more darker skin tone. For lipstick, I took this Bombshell Red by Revlon Cosmetics. I actually got this from Churchgate, but you could get this online. So if you find this video worth enough, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also follow me onto my socials where I post daily. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next. And yeah, bye.